Hey Subbies, welcome back again to another reaction video. It's your girl G Shot underscore everything, and today I am back with another video. So for get straight into this video, guys, so like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified with when I post another video. So if you are new, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share. And if you are not new to this channel, you know what to do. Like, comment, share, and check the notification bell if it's on all notifications. And yes, so today I'm going to do a reaction video to Gabriel Henry. Oh my god, I just love Gabriel Henry. Henry, I don't know, but yeah. So today I'm going to do a reaction to Never Enough. The greatest, oh my god, The Greatest Snowman. Have you watched that movie on it was on Disney? The Greatest Snowman. Yeah, that movie is good. I guess it's on IMDb TV or Disney or Pluto TV, or three, but I watched it already since it came out. I've watched it. I think it's on Netflix too, I don't know, or Hulu, I don't know, but it's on one of those things. Yeah, I watch all of those channels. Yes, I watch BT, Netflix, Hulu, Pluto, IMDb TV, and Disney 6. Yes, they're all on my TV and my phone, so I watch them all, period. Some of them is like paid though, so it's not like, you know, it's not free, but some of them is paid. But you know, I gotta got some free stuff in there because I like freeness. So who I like freeness? So let's send it to subscribe, because subscribe is free. So subscribe, and then the easy thing for y'all to do is to just subscribe. And some of y'all just watching the video and not subscribing. Please subscribe. So yeah, so I'm gonna do a reaction to, did I just say Gabriel Henry? Yeah, Never Enough. So without further ado, just get straight into this video. So 1, 2, 3, go. The Greatest Snowman, yeah, that movie is good. Wow.
I'm trying to hold my breath, let it stay this way, can't leave this moment.
I gotta rewatch that movie.
You set up a
dream,
getting loud,
as it just came out,
can hear it echoing. Take my hand, you share this with me, 'cause darling, without you, all the shine of a thousand spotlight are the stars that will steal from the night sky. You'll never be enough, never be enough. Heart of gold that's still too little. This hand could hold the world but little. Never be enough, never be enough. Spotlight on the star in the street from the night sky. You'll never be enough, never be enough. Heart of gold that's still too little. This hand to hold the earth a little. Never be enough, never be enough. For me, never, never.
You just pick that one. Wow. Wow. Yes. 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 Ooh, yes. That is so good. Like Gabriel. That one there. I can't even think about what to do. I don't know. That is good. So if you like this video, y'all, give it a huge thumbs up. As I said before, if you're new, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, yes. And if you're not new, you know what to do. Give me a huge thumbs up, which is like, comment, subscribe, comment, share, and check the notification bell if it's on all notification. And comment down below what video you want to see from me next. So yes. And yeah, go ahead and watch that movie, The Greatest Snowman, because that movie is good. I'm gonna tell you, that's good. Yes. So yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye.